us through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to do a Valentine's Day look. Now, I've already done my eyebrows. If you're interested, make sure you check out the video down below. So using my Juvia's Zulu palette, I will be taking my Morphe brush and packing this cranberry color right into my crease.
No matter what it is, will you tell me? I'll be here till the end. If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn.
So I'm just using this brush to really work that color into my crease, and then I am going to end up blending it out. I'm blending it out with the same brush, and then I am going to blend out the edges with a clean brush.
They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do.
And to keep from losing color, I'm just going to go back in with that brush that I applied the shadow with and just make sure I don't lose any of that pigment.
Like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching.
Next, I'm taking a similar brush and taking this purple color and putting it right below that pink. So I'm not putting it on top, I'm literally putting it right below. It's going to mix, which it will give you a very beautiful pinkish purplish color, but I'm putting it right below, working that in, blending that out as well with that pink color.
Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do.
So now it's time to cut my crease. I'm taking my favorite concealer, the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, and this concealer is discontinued, you guys, but I have not found anything that I like more than this. If you guys have some recommendations, please comment down below, but I am just cutting my crease with this concealer.
I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love. A minute she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, cause I'm on my way. Telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way.
Next, using my James Morphe palette, I am taking this shimmery pink and just packing that color right over that concealer. So going back into this purple color, I will be packing that onto my outer corner.
They can't put it down like I do.
And then I'm going to grab that cranberry color and pack that right beside it.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never run like I do.
And I'm just blending this out with that shimmery pink, just making sure they blend together. Taking my NYX white liquid liner, I will be outlining my cut crease line just to give a more dramatic look.
No.
And I would recommend taking your time with this, ladies, because you do not want to mess up and have to go back and add eyeshadow and try to hide where you messed up. So just take your time. There's no rush at all.
Till the end, if you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you, baby.
So time to add some glitter. I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and just packing that all over my lid. And I ordered some holographic glitter just off of eBay, and I'm just packing that onto my lid. You can get whatever glitter you like. And so I went ahead and added some eyeliner and some lashes. So now it is time to do the rest of my face. So I'm priming my face with my NYX Bear With Me face primer. It just hydrates your face so well. I just love how it feels. And this is my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the Milani Conceal in Perfect, and I'm just buffing that into my skin.
Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching.
And using my NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer, I'm just highlighting all of those areas that I want brightened up, and I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. And I'm also taking a small brush and that concealer and just cleaning up that eyeshadow. I want a sharper look. So you can use tape if you don't want to do this step at the end, or you can just clean it up with some concealer.
Like I do, go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do.
And I just take my foundation brush and blend out any of those harsh lines that I may have between my concealer and my foundation. So to set my concealer, I'm using my Revolution baking powder in the color Banana.
It ain't no secret, baby, everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reloaded, I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love them. And she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You wanted you.
And I'm just brushing any of that excess away.
'Cause I'm on my way, telling you I'm on my way.
Now to add some warmth back into my face, I am taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest and just contouring my face.
Won't put it down like I do. No. Yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I.
And to contour my nose, I'm using this brush from Morphe. You guys, I love this brush. If you struggle contouring your nose, check it out. It's amazing.
And they will never love you like I do. It's cute for that beat again.
And I'm just adding a little bit of concealer. And I like my contour to be a little bit sharper, so I'm going in with my concealer just to kind of define that line, and then I'm going to blend it out and set it.
No. Hey. It's cute for that beat again. When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone.
And I'm going back in with that contour just to add a little bit more warmth, because I did lose a little bit of it blending it out.
If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do, and they can tell you.
So now I'm just taking my foundation brush and just making sure that everything is blending seamlessly. I do not want any harsh lines anywhere.
Put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I.
So now I'm adding some color to my under eye. I'm taking that purple and popping that right underneath my lash line, and then I am going to add the cranberry color as well. Now for a little bit more of a wow factor, I'm taking a cream eyeliner, and I'm using my beauty blender to pull my under eye down so I don't wipe off any makeup with my fingers. And for mascara, I'm using my Essence the False Lashes mascara and just popping that on my lower lashes and concealing my lashes, my real lashes, into my false lashes.
They can't put it down like I.
For a highlight, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold.
Like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they won't ever love you like I do. How many times will it take for you to realize?
For lips, I'm lining my lips with a off-brand chestnut lip liner.
Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love them. minutes she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting up, finally pick up. You missing my love and you craving my touch.
To fill them, I'm using my NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in the color Bombshell.
Telling you I'm on my way.
And for a little bit more shine, I'm using my Maybelline lipstick in the color Chocolate Lust.
Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like.
And for my inner lip, I'm using my NYX Soft Lip Cream in the color Stockholm.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. It's cute for that read again.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any ladies interested in my hair, I do have a tutorial. Make sure you comment down below letting me know what you guys think. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in my next one.